Hey everyone, so this is the Zapier tutorial about business automation. So I have e-commerce business on electronics and I want easy process to do update on my page easily every day. So I want something like that when when I upload a image on my Google Drive folder, then that image should automatically create an AI video and post to my page. Okay, for that let me go to folder and let me create a new folder. So this is my folder here. So in this folder, if I submit any photo, then it will generate into a video. And this is my Facebook page for this. So I will make the video here. Okay, so the last video was 1 hour before. So let me do a fresh setup. So for that we need a job. We need to create a job, and the trigger will be new file in folder. I will change the folder to image to video and continue here. Then there is no file yet, so I will okay. Then then I take AI for Zapier. So here you need to explain your prompt, and this AI will create a best prompt here, something like that. Here you will get the output, something like that, this way. So you can easily do that. Okay, continue here. Okay, on this create single render. So this platform will take image and give me the video. So the option will be, the website is creatomate.com, and you need to make a template like in which way your product should show. So I made a template, so it's not so complex, like it's like Canva. Okay, so this is the single render and account. It's free, and here is the template I select. Background image should be same. The product file should be import from the Google Drive, and everything will be same. Then go to continue, and Facebook page video, and this is the page name, this is the video URL, and this is the title. So this is the title, right? And this is the paste content. So I can do like I can do something like that. Formatter by Zapier. I need a pure title, so I need to okay, I will do split text here. Input will be okay, this will be okay, separator will be this bracket, and I will get the output. Like I just remove the extension. Okay, then title here. Okay, I already complete the setup. I think it needs to be updated. Okay, this is the title, and I don't want to test, I will just publish here. Okay, so this is the job. and this is my Facebook page. So there will be two things. I do same thing for like if I upload an image, that image will be post here on my page. Also I just set up for video. So let me do one thing. So I need video. So for video I will upload an image. Just click file upload. So I want to this this one. So this mouse I want to make a video. Let me upload here. Okay, so the image have some name, so the Zapier will take this name and make a content for the video, and the video will auto post within some minute. So we need to wait for some minute. Let's wait for the video. So let me check the history of the job, because it's on that section. So let me check the history of the job, and I think it will work. Oh, it's loading here. So let me check on Facebook. Okay, you can see the video is posted with the description and title. So this is the video. Let me show you. So the background and the text are predefined, but the image come from the product image I uploaded on the Google Drive. So this product image. So this product image show here. Okay, fine. I think this way we can make social.
Welcome to Fiverr, the global marketplace connecting people and businesses with talented freelancers from all over the world. Whether you're a solopreneur, a corporate giant, or something in between, we have the experts you need in over 700 categories. With Fiverr, hiring the right freelancer is easier than ever. Let's break it down. Start by searching for the service you need and use smart filters to quickly find the perfect match. Check out reviews and learn more about the freelancer's experience to find the best fit. Need something more specific? No problem. Contact the freelancer and they'll create a custom quote tailored to your needs. Now comes the best part. Receiving your delivery. Your order is now ready for your review and approval. If you want to skip the search, just tell us what you need and we'll find freelancers for you. Fiverr ensures complete transparency, so you always know what you're getting. Plus, our dedicated support team is always here to help you. Looking to take your business to the next level? Fiverr Pro gives you access to top-vetted talent. Bring your entire team on board to collaborate on projects and manage a shared budget. The perfect freelancers are just a few clicks away. Create your free account today.